Hello my dear students, welcome to our today's class, and today we are going to start a new chapter, that is chapter 8, Age of Adolescence. Okay, so before going to our today's topics, let me tell you that how are you all, how your study is going on. Students, your semester exams are on the way, so I hope all of you are doing your study well. Okay, and you are taking care of yourself also. Okay, that is very important. Okay, so let's start to our today's new chapter. This chapter is very informative. It will give a lot of information to you, so be ready for this very informative and interesting chapter. Chapter 8, Age of Adolescence. Okay. Yes, so students, in our day-to-day life, we experience various emotions. Okay, sometimes we feel very happy, sometimes we feel sad. Yes, yes. Similarly, sometimes we experience various kinds of emotions like fear. Okay, sometimes we feel that we are very excited. Okay, so like that. Then we feel like anger, worry, irritations. So these are some kind of emotions which we observe, which we feel everyday life. Okay, so here are some pictures which show some emotions, so you have to identify that emotion. Okay, now here you can see what this first picture tells about. Here, yes, it is all about happiness. The boy is happy. Yes, and it will show a little kind of excitement also. Yes, then here is a second picture. What it shows? Yes, it shows about a sadness. Okay, the boy is sad. Okay, then the third picture, obviously anger. Yes, okay. Then the fourth picture, it tells about that fear. Okay, the emotion fear. Yes, so one of the organ system called the endocrine system causes us to experience these emotions. Okay, yes, and that we are going to learn now. Let us learn more about the endocrine system and hormones. Okay, okay, so let's learn about this. What is endocrine system? Okay, so here the endocrine system consists of a collection of specialized organs that secrete particular chemical substances called as glands. Okay, so it is what? It is a collection of specialized organs that secrete what? Particular chemical substances, and that is called as glands. Okay, and the glands are located at the specific places inside our bodies. Okay, so where these glands are located, they are located at specific places inside our bodies. Okay, the chemical substances released by these glands are called as hormones. Okay, the chemical substances released by these glands are called as what? Hormones, and are released directly into the bloodstream, and they are act as what? Chemical messenger. Okay, so these hormones are act as what? Chemical messengers. Okay, then here you can see that the major glands that make up the human endocrine system are pituitary gland. Okay, here is a pituitary gland. Where it is located, that we are going to see next. Okay, so pituitary gland, then thyroid gland. Okay, this is a thyroid gland. Then adrenals. Okay, adrenal, that means adrenal gland. Then pancreas. Okay, pancreas, ovaries and testes. Okay, yes. So the pituitary gland, okay, here is a pituitary gland. Where it is located? It is located at the base of the brain. Here you can see it is located at the base of the brain. This is the brain part, and the pituitary gland located at the base of the brain, and it is also called the master gland of endocrine system. Okay, so when the question will ask dash is called the master gland of endocrine system, then what is the answer of that question? Yes, pituitary gland. Okay, so this is also called as master gland, because because it releases hormones that control the activities of other endocrine glands. Okay, so here just take an example of there is one group, and there is one group which having one master, which means what? Leader. So like that, pituitary gland is the leader, master of all the hormones of all the other endocrine glands. So that's why it is called as what? A master gland. Okay, yes, because it releases hormones that control the activities of other endocrine gland. Okay, then the adrenal gland is called the gland of emergency. Okay, where is the adrenal gland? Here you can see the adrenal gland, and it is called as what? It is called as the gland of emergency. Why? Because it releases hormones epinephrine or adrenaline, which prepares the body to act when we are in a stressful or potentially dangerous situation. Okay, so this is the emergency. It is called as the gland of emergency. Okay, yes, then hence it is also known as fight or flight hormone. Okay, the name is very interesting. The adrenal gland, it is also known as what? Fight or flight. Okay, fight or flight hormone. ठीक है? Yes. Then it is because of these hormones that the body experiences emotions, status such as anger and excitement. So because of these hormones, what? The body experiences emotional status such as anger, excitement. So all this happens because of what? Because of these types of glands, okay, and the hormones. The changes brought about by adrenaline are widespread, very rapid, and last a very short time. Okay, the changes जो होते हैं वो कहाँ पर है? वो very rapid है, वो very quick type of होते हैं, and it lasts at very short time, and their shortage and their timing is very short. Okay, sometimes some of the changes brought about by adrenaline are listed below. Okay, तो adrenaline की वजह से क्या क्या होता है? It increases the heart rate. Okay, ये क्या करता है? Heart rate increase करता है. Okay, emergency में जब हम रहोगे तब क्या होता है? Heart beat बहुत तेज हो जाती है. So like that, we are in a fear, we having some kind of emergency. Okay, that means we are in not happy situation, we are not in excitement situation, we are like the situation which is very emergency. Okay, yes, so it increases the heart rate, it increases the overall blood sugar level, it results in an overall increase in the body's energy level. Okay, yes, then this is the gland, this is called, it is a thyroid gland, it is located at the base of the throat. Okay, and here are the ovaries and testes. Yes, the pancreas are located near the liver. Okay, here you can see that in the image, pancreas are located near the liver. Okay, so there is some table which shows that the hormones and their role in the body. Okay, so let's see one by one. Thyroid stimulating hormone, this is called as TSH hormone. Okay, it stimulates the growth and function of the thyroid gland. Okay, at the where the thyroid gland is placed, here you can see the thyroid gland is placed at the base of the throat. Okay, base of the throat, and the hormone secreted by this gland is called as thyroxine. Okay, yes, so what is its role? That TSH stimulates the growth and functions of the thyroid gland. Okay, and the growth hormone, it is the short form for the growth hormone is GH. Okay, GH stimulates the growth and development of the body. Okay, then the thyroxine hormone, what is the role of this hormone in our body? It regulates body metabolism and plays an important role in the growth and development. and inability of body to produce these hormone may result in a disease called goiter, which causes swelling of the neck. Okay, then adrenaline. Adrenaline hormone क्या करता है? It helps in the defense of the body in emergency situation. So basically it used in the emergency situation. Then insulin hormone, it regulates the blood sugar level, inability of the body to produce insulin in sufficient quantity, and which may result in a disease called as diabetes. Okay, so it may result in diabetes. Estrogen, it controls the development of secondary sexual characteristics like the development of breast in females. Okay, and then the last one is testosterone. It controls the development of secondary sexual characteristics like facial hairs in males. Okay, so these are some hormone and their role in our body is given. Okay, then hormone plays an important role in the growth and development of the body, especially during a period known as adolescence. Okay, तो हार्मोन जो है वो बहुत important role play करता है when during the period called as adolescence in the growth and development of body. Okay, so adolescence and puberty, what is that? Let's see. The period of transition from childhood to adulthood is called as adolescence. Okay, जब छोटे बच्चे से हम बड़े हो जाते हैं, that means from childhood to adulthood, it called as adolescence. The period of transition from childhood to adulthood is called as adolescence. The boys and girls passing through this period are called as adolescents. Okay, this period is called as what? Adolescence. And the boys and girls passing through this period are called as what? Adolescents. Okay, the World Health Organization, that is WHO, defines the adolescence as a period of life between 10 to 19 years of age. Okay, तो adolescent का period मतलब क्या होता है? 10 to 19 years of the age. Okay, this period is called as adolescence period. Okay, yes. Then adolescence is characterized by the reproductive organs in both males and females reaching maturity and beginning to the function. A female will start to produce egg or ovum and the male will start to produce sperms. Okay, other changes that takes place like development of breast in girls and facial hair in boys. So these are the changes which takes place during the adolescent period. As these characteristics help in distinguish boys from girls, they are referred to as the secondary sexual characteristics. So these are called as, they can distinguish between, so with the help of this we can identify whether a boy or girl. Okay, so like that, and they are referred to as a secondary sexual characteristics. Okay, they are called as what? Secondary sexual characteristics. Okay, the stage in which secondary sexual characteristics develop is referred to as the stage of maturity or puberty. तो puberty मतलब क्या? The stage in which secondary sexual characteristics develop. What are the secondary sexual characteristics? Yes, these everything which I have written over here. Okay, this everything, they are called as what? Secondary sexual characteristics. Okay, and the stage where this characteristic starts developing is referred to as the stage of maturity or puberty. Okay, puberty is a time of growth in which an individual becomes sexually mature. Okay, achieves reproductive maturity. Okay, yes. Then the changes that can take place when girls and boys reach puberty. So you all know that there is some changes which takes place when the girls and boys reach to the puberty. Yes. So what are they? That is physical changes. What are the physical changes which takes place during this period? Here you can see that development of reproductive organs. In girls, the ovaries enlarge and start producing mature eggs. and in boys the testes and penis develop completely and the testes starts producing sperms. Okay, then the second one is enlargement of breast. During puberty, the breast starts increasing in size and milk producing gland called mammary glands develop inside them. Okay, this happens in the female. Increase in height and weight. Okay, a rapid increase in height and weight in both the girls and boys takes place. The rate of growth may be vary from person to person. तो यहाँ पे क्या होता है, height जो है वो बढ़ जाती है and weight is also starts increasing. Generally, girls grow faster than boys. Yes, sometimes we heard like this that girls grow faster than boys. But initially, both reach their maximum height around 18 years of age. So till 18 years of age you can reach your maximum height. Okay, then the change in body shape. In girls the hips broaden and the pelvic region widens, and in boys muscles develop and shoulders and chest becomes broader. Okay, then what about body hair? During puberty, hair develop under armpits, in the pubic region, as well as arms and legs in both boys and girls. And boys also develop facial hair, that is mustache and beard, and hair on the chest. Okay, so these are what? These are some kind of changes that takes place during the period of adolescence. Okay, then change in voice. Okay, voice में change होता है. Why? The voice box or larynx increases in size during puberty. Here you can see voice box gets increases in size during the puberty, which results change in voice. Generally, this increases in size is more prominent in boys, and the enlarged voice box can be observed as a lump which is called as Adam's apple in the neck region. Okay, so here is some kind of donation like that. It is given like Adam's apple. Okay, so yes, due to larger voice boxes, boys generally develop a deep voice while girls tend to have high pitched voice. Okay, then initially increase in the size of the lyrics may cause a boy's voice to crack. Okay, crack होता है voice थोड़ा सा और break हो जाता है, but the voice becomes normal after some time. But जो वॉइस है वो यही टाइम पे थोड़ा सा ऐसे हो जाएगा, आई मीन लाइक हार्डनेस एंड ऑल, यू कैन सी, यू कैन ऑब्जर्व, बट आफ्टर दैट इट विल बिकम्स टू द नॉर्मल वॉइस. ओके, then increased activity of sweat and oil glands. During puberty what happens, sweat and oil glands in the body become very active and cause increased in sweating. बहुत ज़्यादा sweating होता है. Okay, so increased activity of oil glands cause pimples in adolescence. Okay, तो उसकी वजह से क्या होता है, pimples हो जाते हैं during in the adolescence. Okay, yes, so this is all about today we have learned about let's have a quick revision, I mean quick look that what we have learned. Okay, so these are some changes, some physical changes which takes place when girls and boys reach puberty. Okay, yes, so this kind of changes happens. Then here we have learned about secondary sexually characteristics. Okay, these are the secondary sexual characteristics. Yes, then adolescence and puberty. Adolescence period is what? It is between 10 to 19 years of age. Yes, okay, remember the definition which are very important for MCQ point of view. Then here we have learned about hormones and their role in the body. Okay, yes, then we have learned about endocrine system. Okay, pituitary gland is also called as a master gland. Then the second one, emergency. Okay, adrenal gland. Yes, yes, we have learned about the endocrine system. So this is all about today. Students, go through the video and do your assignments regularly because it carries marks. Okay. Yes. Thank you students. Please watch whole tutorial video and complete your assignment. Thank you.